The philosophy in our collection has always been that the specimens are here to be used, so every animal will eventually find a purpose here. I'm Alan Resitar, McCarter Collection Manager in the Amphibian and Reptile Collection at Field Museum. We are going to be unboxing the Komodo dragons today. A Komodo dragon is the world's largest lizard. It's not the world's longest lizard, but the Komodo is the largest. Our Komodo dragons are kept in this specially custom-made stainless steel tank, which is over 100 gallons. And a Komodo dragon about this size would weigh about, maybe about 125 pounds. His organs were removed when he was necropsied at the zoo, so he's a little bit lighter, but he's still pretty heavy. Almost all of our 300,000 specimens in the collection are in 70% ethanol. So essentially what we do is buy Everclear, the same product you can buy at the liquor store. We purchase it in 55-gallon drums. And being a museum, we can apply for a special permit so we don't have to pay the liquor tax on it. So that saves us a little money. The specimens are here for scientific research. So they're here to be shared with students and researchers from all over the world. They don't come out as often as I'd like. They were here probably about 18 years before somebody conducted the first research project on them. But the animals are here forever. I mean, our goal is to keep them for hundreds of years. Even though a specimen may sit here a couple decades, all of a sudden there might be a research interest in them. You know, we can move this. We just make sure that nobody's in the empty aisle. I almost crushed a guy from Argentina one time.